Hello, welcome to the virtual curriculum night at Bothell High School. My name is Diane Brust, and I am the marketing teacher and DECA advisor here at Bothell High School. I'm going to take this time to walk you through what some of the components of Intro to Marketing are and see if I can answer virtually some of the questions that you might have. Let me get the screen share going here. Welcome. All right, so a little bit about myself. This is my third year teaching, third year ever, and at Bothell High School. And my route was not the traditional one. I actually went to Washington State University, got a marketing degree, went and worked at Nordstrom through high school and after. Have 18 years of experience in management, sales, corporate, all of that. And then I stayed home for a couple of years with my children and decided after a couple of years that I really wanted to start up another career, and this seemed like the perfect fit for me. So I'm super thrilled to be here at Bothell High School. I'm originally from Tacoma, Washington, and I grew up in a bilingual household. My parents are from Croatia, and so I speak the language as well. The picture there, you see my three little girlies. They are 7, 4, and 4. I have twins. My oldest one is at West Hill Elementary. My husband also worked for almost 20 years as well. He now works for T-Mobile in finance. My passions, of course, are fashion. Being from Nordstrom, I absolutely love marketing. That's why I majored in it. And I am thrilled to be working with your students. Okay, so you may be wondering, what is marketing at Bothell High School? So I teach 4 classes and it's about 120 students. We have DECA integrated into the classroom. So everything that students need to know to be part of DECA and everything they need to prepare for when it comes to our DECA competition will happen in the classroom. And it works seamlessly because it's all topics that we're going to be learning and covering in class anyhow. All of my classes have a leadership component to it, and so they get to build their leadership skills, which is fantastic in my class. Also, we have community involvement. There's different fundraisers we do, things where we also provide and give back to the community. So like a DECA toy drive that we do in a couple months here. So community involvement, I think, is also great to be philanthropic. And then the competition that's going to be through DECA. So here's an overview of the different units that we're going to cover in the class. I love making all of this applicable to what's happening in the real world. So we always have projects that are going to be real life examples where they can apply the concepts to real companies. Every day in class, we also do a current marketing event, we call it. And every day we kick off class with a student that shares something current that's going on in the world, whether it's a new product or something in the news and how it ties to marketing. We talk about that every single day. We also do energizers in our class. So halfway through class, a student comes up and they lead us through an energizer. So another great leadership component where students get to shine in class. So you may be wondering a little bit more about DECA. So DECA is more than just a marketing club. It's also great to kind of get an intro to finance, hospitality, management, and also entrepreneurship, which a lot of students are really interested in starting up their own business, which is amazing for our economy, of course. It's a great opportunity for students to build confidence, be innovative, spark some curiosity and learn some new things, and then have some teamwork as well. We are so fortunate that we are one of the largest DECA programs in the country. Washington DECA is amazing, and it's really an honor for me to be a DECA advisor for Bothell and represent Bothell High School and then also Washington DECA. And our program is stronger than ever this year, my third year. What we're working up to in class is preparing ourselves to present at the area conference January 7th of next year. We hope it's going to be in person at the Maiden Bower that day. And if not, we're going to have a virtual conference, which is what we did last year. And we need some judges, whether it's virtual or in person, we could use you. So at some point within the coming months, you'll get an email from me to see if you can please help us out and donate a little bit of your time to see these students shine. So January 7th, 7:30 to Noon-ish is the time commitment. And if we do it virtual, you would get a couple of days to evaluate, say, like maybe 7 to 10 students. And so, not a huge time commitment, and great that you could do it on your own time if we do end up doing virtual. All evaluation forms on what you need to do will be given to you in advance. And you would work with me directly. So I would provide you all the details and direction that you would need. So hopefully you'll consider being a judge for us. So all of the assignments that we do in class, all of the details is going to be in Schoology. And your student's grade is going to be posted in parent or student view. So you can see that there. I also provide all feedback in there as well. The minimum grade this year for assignments are going to be 50%. So if a student misses an assignment, I'll mark it as missing. It looks like a 0, but it gets graded as 50%. And if you have any questions about any of the technology or questions about what's missed, what's not, what's the feedback, please reach out to me. My email address is there for you. All right, that's all I have to share with you for virtual curriculum night. Thank you very much for your time. I welcome all feedback, so please email me at dbrust@nsd.org. If you have any questions or feedback, I would love to partner with you. It's a pleasure to have your students in class, and I hope I get a chance to hear from you or talk with you one day. Thank you so much. Bye.